Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you do not know who I am, my name is Charlotte Hours, but you can call me Jay. And if you are new to this channel, hi, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. So in today's video, we'll be going in with the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill palette. I don't know which one is this one. This is the Dark Magic palette, and this is the inside, and these are the colors. So I have used this palette, and I don't know, I just decided to do something really fun and simple. I'm not going anywhere, but you know, I just want to have fun with it. But anyways, if you want to know what kind of look I get with this palette, continue on watching. Alright you guys, so as you can see, I did my foundation, contour, concealing, all of that, eyebrows off camera, I know, just to make this video a little short, you know, like always. So we're going to go ahead and go in already with the palette. So the first color we'll be going in with is this color right here, and then it's called Poof. So of course I will be doing both eyes on camera just because I already did my foundation. I already did my foundation and everything else off camera. So today I was thinking maybe more like a light blue, well, you know, like a bluish color with a little bit of the shimmer shades that they have on here. You know, nothing too crazy. Alright. And with that same brush, we're going to go in with this shade right here. It's like a dark brownish nude shade, and it's called Shh. I'm going to go ahead and apply this on the outer V of the eye and making it towards the inner corner of the eye. And we're just going to blend that out as so. Alright, and with a different brush, we're gonna go in with this blue color right here. It's like a dark blue color, and it's called Busted. And we're gonna go ahead and start that and put that on the outer V of the corner and blending it in to the middle of the eye. Alright, that should be good enough, and we're going to go ahead and get a flat brush and do a very small cut crease. Alrighty, we're gonna go ahead and set that in place, and then we go back in with that blue shade and clean this at the end. Alright, and I'm gonna go ahead and, you know what, I think I'm gonna just leave it like this, not add any color to it, any shimmer shades to it. So I'm gonna go back in with that I'm gonna go back in with that color poof and put that right on top of that crease that we just made. Alright, maybe I'll do an eyeliner. It's very small. Hopefully it comes out very small. We're going to go in with the MAC False Lash Extreme Black Mascara. Alright, and we're going to let that dry before we put on some lashes. So we're going to go for blush now. We're going to go in with the Morphe blush. And this is in the color Spirit. Alright, and we're going to go back in with, well, I did this off camera, so we're going to go back in with the Lisa Frank bronzer and bronze a little more. Alright, and for highlight, we're gonna go in with the Tarteist Pro Glow, one of my favorites, and go in with Lit and Fire. For lashes, we're gonna go in with the visofree 3D mink. Jesus. Alright, for lashes, we're gonna go in with the visofree 3D mink lashes. Right now we're going to go back in with that palette and do the under eyes. And we're going to go back in with that mascara. We're going to use the NYX Whipped lipstick. Alright, and for setting spray, we're going to go in with the Cola Organic Makeup Setting Spray. And this is how it looks like. Never mind. We're gonna go in with the Smashbox Photo Finish So Chill Coconut Primer Water. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like the makeup look, make sure you give it a thumbs up and leave some comments below. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.